How to use the 80-20 rule. The rule 80-20 is aimed to find certain activities in your daily life to reach success. We perform a lot of tasks every day, however, not all of them lead us to good results. The aim of this rule is to find certain activities that will be most effective and therefore will make you more productive. First step is to identify the tasks. Write down everything you do on a daily basis. Then circle the activities that bring the best results to your studies. Whenever you're faced with a new task or a project, ask yourself a simple question. Will this activity hurt or help my 80% activities? Eliminate or delegate. If an activity isn't bringing you a good measurable result or satisfaction, then you should get rid of it. Don't add. Substitute. Remember, your time is limited. If you feel like your new project is very important, then it should take the place of a low-value activity. Practicing an 80-20 rule is a skill that takes time to develop. At first, it may be difficult to let go of things you once thought were important. However, eventually you will develop an intuitive understanding of what's important and what is a waste of your time.